Babe, I swear, this is so risky. If my dad finds out you're here, lagot ka talaga. Okay? Yeah, just because na-meet mo na yung ate ho at legal na tayo kay mama, doesn't mean you can just barge in here. Like my dad isn't actually inside the house. God, buti na lang nanonood pa siya ng Batang Quiapo. What do you mean, why am I hiding you? You know my father would totally freak out if he knew I had a relationship with someone. Especially if he finds out that I snuck you in. Oh my god, stop smiling. It's not funny. Okay, yeah, fine. I know you're already inside my room, but don't just come into my house without telling me. You could have gotten yourself killed. You hear me? You could have gotten yourself killed. Wait, someone's coming. Shh. No, quick, hide. No, not there. Sa ilalim ng kama. Go. Ah! Ha? Hindi kasha? God, oh my god. Fuck. Just, oh, wait. My closet. Dali, inside. Now. No. Go.
Anak, bukas ang ilaw mo. Tulog ka na ba?
Dad, hi. What's up? May kailangan ka ba?
Parang may narinig akong boses. May kausap ka ba dito?
Ha? Ano ka ba, Dad? Siyempre wala, no? Baka TV lang yun. Or baka multo.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Ba't gising ka pa?
Just, finishing some homework.
Homework? Ha? Ang weird mo ngayon, Mabi, ah. Saka, bakit pawis na pawis ka?
Pahawis. Malamig nga eh. Baka nagzuzumba ako?
Nagsusumba? I don't remember seeing you doing Zumba as a PN assignment. Mabi, are you hiding something from me?
Dad, of course not. Grabe ka naman.
Mabi, don't you dare lie to your dad. May tinatago ka ba?
No, why would I hide something from you?
Alam mo, ewan ko sa'yo. Pero teka lang, parang galing dito yung boses eh.
Dad! I love you. Ang pogi mo today. Napaka-glowing mo. Nag-gym ka ba these days? Siguro, ang daming nangliligaw sa'yo nung high school, no? Ah?
Para tangang naman to. May kailan ka ba, ano?
Wala. Just appreciating you, Dad. Gosh. Anyway, don't you have to watch Batang Quiapo sa TV today? Yeah. Baka ma-miss mo na yung episode.
Ano yun? May gumalaw ba?
Ha? Wala. I definitely have no idea what you're talking about.
Aha. Okay, if you say so. Pero anak, amoy pabango dito ah. Usually, amoy unan lang kwarto mo. Bagong bangon ka, no?
Oo naman. Minsan lang ako mag-spray, di ba?
Sige nga, I'll leave you be. Pero, kung may tinatagaw ka, malalaman ko rin yan.
Yeah, good night, Dad.
Good night, anak.
Oh, God. Babe, akala ko talaga tapos na tayo dun. No, like for real. Akala ko talaga he was just gonna check under the bed or worse, open the closet. But wow, you were so quiet. Ang galing mo dun ah. But for real though, imagine if he did catch you. Like, God, he'd be like, sino to? Tapos full on interrogation mode. I mean, knowing him, he'd say something like, anong intentions mo sa anak ko? Like, seryoso. Eh, bakit kaya ganun lagi yung linyas ng mga tatay? Pero real talk, babe, we need to be way more careful next time. Imagine if he walked in while we were like, nagka-cuddle or something. I swear I would have literally dropped that dead ass. Parang deserve ko ng reward for this. Maybe like, unlimited cuddles. Tapos, syempre, milk tea. Actually, dalawa. One for now, tas isa para mamaya. Fair lang, di ba? Ah, that's true, yeah. Ako nga dapat magbigay sa'yo ng rewards. Tama ka dyan. Yeah, because you're really, really good at hiding. Huwag kang mag-alala. Ibibigay ko naman yung reward mo. Promise. So, what now? Should we like celebrate our survival with food or like stay here muna and enjoy the moment? Babe, I get it. Yeah, okay? Alam mo gusto mong maging honest kay dad, pero hindi pa talaga pwede eh. Like, you know how he is. Sobrang strict niya. And I don't think ready pa siya to hear about us. I know. Ayaw mo magtago forever. And I don't want that for us either. So, can we just lay low for now lang? Until I can figure out how to tell him nang hindi na siya magagalit, of course. No, it's not that I'm ashamed of you, okay? Never. It's just I don't want to risk losing us. Kasi once malaman na niya, I have no idea kung anong gagawin niya, and that scares me. Literally, I did my best. I tried, and I'm glad that I did when I introduced you to my ate and kay mama din. Just trust me on this, okay? I promise darating din tayo dun. But right now, let's just keep things our way.
Mabi, anak, nakalimutan mo yatang kunin yung...
Dad, I can explain.
Anak, sino to?
Funny story.
Funny story? Talaga ba anak ha? Funny story? Huwag mong sabihin study buddy na naman to.
Well, not exactly.
Not exactly your study buddy? Well then I assume that you have some good explanation about why you brought this person over here. Anak, start explaining. Now na.
Jowa ko po.
Jowa? Surprising. Kailan pa to?
Matagal na.
Matagal na.
Kasi dad, I was scared. Alam kong strict ka and I didn't know how to tell you. I didn't want you to get mad or like pag hiwalayin kami.
Ikaw? Yes, you. I am talking to you. Anong plano mo sa anak ko?
Here we go.
Sigurado ka na ba kay Mabi?
Ba't parang deja vu tong tanong to
Talaga? At paano ko malalaman na hindi mo lang niloloko ang anak ko?
Dad, hindi siya ganun. Seryoso siya sa akin. Seryoso kami sa isa't isa. Calm down. Peace and love lang muna tayo dito, ha?
So, ilang taon ka na? May plano ka ba sa buhay or trip-trip lang to? Okay, sige. Sabihin na nating seryoso ka. Pero I want you to tell me honestly, kaya mo bang panindigan yan? Anong future ang mabibigay mo sa anak ko? Kaya mo bang pakainin ang anak ko?
Dad, hala naman. Bakit parang kasal agad yung usapan?
At paano kung mag-away kayo? Anong gagawin mo? Basta mo na lang ba iiwan tong anak ko? At paano kung hindi kita gusto para sa anak ko? Okay, fine. It seems like you're telling the truth. Sige. Pero I want you to take this very seriously. Ayaw ko lang na masaktan ang anak ko. My daughter treats you so well. She's being kind to you. And I expect you to treat her the same way she treats you. I never wanted to see my daughter get hurt by someone, especially the likes of you. Kasi kapag nangyayari yun, ikaw mismo ang mananagot sa akin. Do we have a clear understanding? Alam mo, hindi ako basta-basta magtitiwala. Pero nakikita ko naman na pinaninindigan mo ang sinabi mo. Pero isa lang ang tandaan mo. Kapag sinaktan mo to, if you dare try to hurt my daughter, kahit isang beses lang, hindi lang relasyon nyo ang matatapos. Bahala na kayo. I'll leave you be. Pero tandaan mo to. Let this be a reminder. Kapag nasaktan mo anak ko, ikaw mismo ang mananagot sa akin. Naintindihan mo?
So, okay ka na, Dad?
Yes, of course, anak ko. Huwag niyo lang ako bigyan ng problema.
Oh my God, we're alive! We survived, barely, but we did it! Grabe. Baby, you're literally the bravest person I know. Thank you for not running away. Sino ba naman kasi ang hindi matatakot kay Dad, di ba? Ako nga medyo kinakabahan ako kanina eh. Pero ikaw, you stood there like a champ. Not gonna lie, you got me by your words there. Kinikilig ako dun. Thank you for choosing me, for loving me, and for fighting for us. Kahit complicated, kahit scary, or kahit bawal dati. Hey, I'm super proud of you, babe. You stayed calm, you stayed respectful, tapos ang honest mo pa na sa mga answers mo. Sana proud ka rin sa sarili mo. Kasi ako, well, I'm super proud of you. Next time talaga, do not sneak in. Like you're some part of the Spy Kids or something. Because my heart can handle it twice, really. Officially, certified ka na sa buhay ko. Data proof. Well, medyo. Slightly. Basta pass ka na. You did great, baby. God, after what you did, I swear I'm gonna love you forever. I love you.